going to show you how to make a decoction. So I've got my herbs ready and I want 30 grams worth. I'm using the scale to weigh the herbs, but I have to tare the weight of the bowl first so that it doesn't interfere with the total grams of herb that I want. I'm making a big batch of decoction so that I have enough for 3 days worth so that it'll save me time during the week. The herbs in this blend are ashwagandha, licorice, cinnamon, eleuthero, and some others. Because these herbs are roots and more hardy, you have to decoct them in water and let them boil for a longer time instead of just steeping in water for a few minutes like you would for an herbal tea. So once I have 30 grams, I'm going to put them in a pot on the stove and add water. It should be about 10 grams per 12 quarts of water, so I've added about 36 quarts of water. I wait for the pot to boil and then leave it on boil for about 40 minutes. Then I pour the mixture into a French press and let it steep for another 10 minutes. This is just something I like to do. It's not a necessary step. And once I've let the decoction steep for a bit, I add it to my mason jar. Et voila, it's all done.